Good morning, Groyper. Hello, everybody.
Ooh, I can't wait. I'm going to have a little bit of breakfast. I'm going to get some delicious food in my belly. Oh, it's going to be so good. I'm going to have a little bit of breakfast. Going to get my little Groyper belly all full of brekkie little breakfasts. And then I'm going to put on my Groyper pajamas. And then I'm going to get nice and cozy in my fuzzy Groyper PJs. So damn cozy. I'm going to crawl into bed. And then I'm going to lay back down. I'm going to crawl into my Groyper bed, under my Groyper covers, and my little Groyper head. And I drift off to a nice Groyper sleep. Just going to lay back on my Groyper pillow. I'm going to take a little Groyper nap.